it's April from April's Home, and today I'm here to share with you one of my favorite potato salad recipes, dill potato salad. So I've got here some baby red potatoes, 3 pounds of baby red potatoes. I'm going to clean and quarter these and then boil them up until they're fork tender. Then we'll go ahead and rinse those in cool water and cool them down. Then we will blend these together with some celery, green onions, some dill weed, sour cream, mayonnaise, and about the juice of about half a lemon. This is a delicious potato salad and one of my favorites, so I'm going to go ahead now and get started getting my baby red potatoes all cleaned and quartered and ready to boil up. Okay, my 3 pounds of potatoes are all cleaned and cut up in quarters. I'm going to go ahead now and cover these with water and get them boiling. Again, I'll go ahead and cook these until they're fork tender. Then I will drain them and cool them down. Okay, so my potatoes are done cooking and I have drained them and rinsed them in a little bit of cold water, and I am chilling them in the fridge while I go ahead and mix together my sauce here for this. And I also have my cut up green onions here in a little bowl. I like a lot of green onions, so I went ahead and added the whole bunch. You do not have to add that many green onions. If you don't want it to be too oniony, you can add less than this. I may start by adding half and giving that a taste before I add all of them. And I have here about 1 3/4 cups of diced celery. For our sauce, I've got about 1 cup of mayo and 3/4 cup of sour cream. I'm going to add to that a couple squirts of Dijon mustard and the juice from half a lemon. So I'm going to go ahead and add all the ingredients into here. Just figured I'd add it into here to get it mixed up easier. Okay, so there's the cup of mayo and the 3/4 cup of sour cream. Okay, I'm going to combine those together. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a couple squirts of Dijon mustard. Probably about the equivalent of maybe a tablespoon, a little less than a tablespoon maybe, but right around there. And now the juice of half a lemon. Got my juicer here. Okay, so we'll go ahead and stir that lemon juice in now. And then for the dill, I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of this dried dill. That actually looks like quite a bit. I'm going to start with 3 teaspoons of that. We'll mix that together and give it a taste. Oh, that looks delicious. Okay, I'm going to give that a quick taste here. And that's really tasty. I do think I'll go ahead and add the 4th teaspoon of dill, because once this is mixed with the potatoes, I think it'll be really nice to have it nice and dill flavored. And there is our mixture. So now I'm going to go ahead and bring out my potatoes, and we'll add the veggies to them and we'll fold in the sauce. Here are my potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and add the celery. And like I said, I think I'll add half the onions at first. And then we'll see. We'll probably add the rest of them, but just to be on the safe side, I'm going to go ahead and gently toss these around. The potatoes are mostly cool, but until they're completely cool, I don't want to mix them too roughly. So I'm just kind of turning them around with this big flat spatula spoon here. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the sauce. I'll probably add it half at a time so I can incorporate it nice and gently. That looks delicious. Okay, and now I'll add the rest. And I do think I'll just add the rest of the green onions. I just think they add such a nice color and flavor. Okay, so we'll go ahead and fold that together gently. You can see how nice and creamy this is. It's also really nice that it only used the 1 cup of mayo and the rest was sour cream, which makes it a little bit lighter and fresher. So does the dill. The dill really makes this a very fresh salad. Okay, I have this nearly mixed together. I'm going to go ahead and finish tossing this all together, and then I'll transfer this to the serving bowl. And I like to chill this salad overnight in the fridge. You could also make this the morning of, say, a barbecue or a meal that you'd like to be serving this salad with, just so it has a chance to chill and that the flavors have a chance to develop in the salad. It's nice to chill it. So I'll go ahead and get this in the serving bowl, and I'll come back to show you how that looks. Here is the potato salad in the serving dish. This is about 3/4 of the potato salad. I usually don't like to serve all of it at once. I like to keep some cooled in the refrigerator. But I just thought this looked really pretty in this white bowl here. So that is our creamy dill potato salad. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you give this a try. It's an absolutely wonderful potato salad and would be perfect throughout the summer barbecue season. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.